Hi children, a very warm welcome to Narana Live class. So today in this video we are going to see an assignment on maps. So which is class 6th. Now let's start our assignment with the first question. When should we use a globe? So first of all, globe means what children? A model of earth is called as globe. So when we are going to use this globe? While study of earth. So that is what they mention here. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole. Now let's take second question. Define map. So map means is a representation or drawing earth surface. Means drawing of the earth surface or a part of its according to scale. So I will show you here one example. See, this is an India map, right? So one part of earth surface, so that is India, we are showing here. So this is called as map. Now let's take third question children. What is an atlas? Atlas means what? A combination of maps is called as atlas. I will show you here, see atlas. So here is atlas, see the combination of all the maps is called as atlas. Even we can say collection of maps. Now let's take fourth question. What do physical map show? See, physical maps means what children? Physical maps means the map which shows the relief features of any part of country is called as physical maps. Example I will show you, see here. So this is physical map of India. If you see here, Himalayas, plateaus, deserts, ghats. So that means all these are the physical features of India. So physical features means relief features if you represent in the map. So it is called as physical map. Now let's take another question. Fifth question. Define political map. So political map means what? The map which shows cities, towns, villages, states and their boundaries is called as political map. So I will show you here, see political map. So this is the political map of India. So it's showing the state boundaries. So villages, small, say major important cities, capitals. So this is we can consider as political map. So what is the difference between political and physical map children? So physical map means here they are showing only the relief features of earth surface like mountains, plateaus, deserts, rivers, oceans, etc. Whereas political map means, so it shows the boundaries of states, villages, cities, etc. So I hope you are clear with this, right? Now let us take sixth question. What do you mean by a thematic map? Thematic map, name itself is there, see theme. That means specification. So a map which shows a particular information of any theme is called as what? Thematic map. For example, if you see here road maps or river maps or maybe distribution of industries map. So all these are comes under thematic maps. Now let's take seventh question here. What are the three components of map? So the three components of maps are, one is distance, direction and symbol. See, distance, direction and symbol. So these three are called as components of map. Now let's take eighth question. What do you mean by the term the scale of the map? So scale means a ratio between actual distance and the distance which we are showing on the map. So the ratio is called as scale of the map. See, that is what they mention here. So it's the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Okay. Now let's take ninth question here. Differentiate between small scale map and large scale map. So small scale map means what? Is used to show the large areas like what? Continents or countries, oceans. Whereas large scale, see large scale map means used to show small areas like village, towns, etc. So when compared to large scale map is more informative. That means when compared to small scale map here, large scale map is more informative than the small scale map. So that means why? Because large scale map it shows of what? In depth, means villages, towns, cities, etc. Whereas small scale map it shows only a large areas like continents, oceans. Now let's take 10th question children. Last question. how are maps more helpful than a globe? So globe means just is a model of earth. We can't study in depth of the any place or any regions. Whereas maps we can find the different kind of information. That is what they mention. See, so study of earth is called as, generally model of earth is called as globe. Okay. Whereas if you want to know about any one country's information or a state information, so definitely maps will be very helpful here. So that is what compared to globe. That means how maps more helpful means, so like this, to study of earth or towns or states related any information if you want to know, so maps will be very helpful for us. Okay children, so these are 10 question answers related these assignments. I hope you are clear with these answers. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Now signing off children.